Good morning, dear students. I, Pooja Rajvanshi, welcome you all to the home mentoring session of mathematics, the SD Vidya School Ambala Cant. Dear children, let's start a very easy chapter today called data handling. The first point here to be discussed, children, is what is data? So, dear children, whatever information is available to us in our surroundings is known as data, right? So, for example, I collect the information about how many students in grade 4 like ice creams. When I collect information and write it randomly, it is called information, right? But if I arrange the data in a system, in an order, right, then it is called data. जब हम सारी इंफॉर्मेशन को किसी टैबुलर फॉर्म में रिप्रेजेंट कर देते हैं जिसमें से हम इंफॉर्मेशन क्विकली रीड कर पाएं, देन दैट इज कॉल्ड डेटा. So let us quickly do the recapitulation exercise. I would recommend please open your books to this particular page of chapter number 13. And the first word to be discussed is pictograph. Children, you have already studied this in your previous classes. That is why it is in the recap exercise. A pictograph is representation of the information in the form of pictures. So this first pictograph is telling us about the favorite players of people. Here, one smiley represents 15 people. So, Rajesh, Dinesh, Panaki and Irfan. These are liked by people. So, let us do the questions which follow below the pictograph. The first question, children, is how many people wanted Pinaki to win? Now, this is Pinaki. To find the number of people who liked Pinaki to win, we count the number of smileys. 1, 2, 3. 3 smileys. So, one smiley represents how many people? 15 people. So, 45 people want Pinaki to win. How many people were cheering for Dinesh? Cheering is, you remember, when you see matches in your big ground in the school and you want your friends to win who are playing or batting and you keep on shouting their name. That is called cheering. So, for Dinesh, how many people were cheering? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 smileys, and it is represented by 15 people. So 6 15s are, or 15 6 is 90 people were cheering for Dinesh. Who is the most favorite player? Irfan is the most favorite player because most number of people wanted to cheer Irfan. Who is the second most favorite player, children? It is Dinesh. जिनको सबसे दूसरे नंबर पर सबसे ज़्यादा लोग चाहते हैं कि वो जीत जाए. And how many people had given the choices in all? Children, please focus. In all means together. So you may count the smileys in all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? 6 here, 11. 3 here, 14. 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22. So 22 smileys in all, and 22 multiplied by 15. It is 330 people. So this is the most important part, together. About the pictograph, children, as I told you in the beginning, pictograph is a way of presenting data or information, both mean the same, using symbols. So symbols is the main thing in the pictograph, right? After doing this has to be done in the books. So let us move on. The next exercise. Children, in this exercise 13.1, again we have to do in the books. There is a pictograph given to us. You will say, ma'am, this pictograph does not look as the pictograph in the recapitulation exercise. Yes. In this pictograph, it is represented in a different order, right? You come to know through the representation that in the horizontal, classes are represented. Class 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. And in the vertical order, the number of saplings is represented. The saplings are represented starting from 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So how many, this one picture as a leaf, it represents how many saplings? Saplings are small plants. What are saplings? Small plants. Very small plants, garden mein when we sow them, they become big and flower or give you food or fruits. So let us answer the few questions. The vertical represents the number of saplings and the horizontal represents the classes, right? So how many saplings does one leaf represent? It represents 10 saplings because this is 0 to 10. So one leaf represented in one box, it represents 10 saplings. How many saplings did the students of class 3 plant? Here is class 3. They plant 70 saplings. They plant 70 saplings. How many saplings did the students of class 2 plant? Class 2 plants 60 saplings. Right? Who planted the highest number of saplings? The highest number of saplings was planted by the grade 4 students. The lowest number of saplings was planted by the grade 1 students. 50 is the lowest number. And then you have to count the saplings planted in all. Now there are two ways of counting. In all means together. Either count the total number of leaves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, 26, 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, 33, 34, 35, 36, 37, 38, 39, 40, 41, 42, 43, 44. 44 leaves multiply by 10 is 440 saplings. There is another way, children. This is 50, 60, this is 70, 100, this is 80 and this is 80. You count all of them, add all of them, you will get 440. So do remember, children, do remember 440 saplings. And how will it come? It will come in all when we count them in the together, in the total basis. I hope you have understood, children. If not, listen to this video again and again and you will understand. Any doubts you can discuss in the live class. Question number 2, children, you have to do in the notebooks. After doing your prep work, open the next page, put the date, write exercise 13.1, try doing this question and catch over my next video for rechecking it.